Hi everyone, I've recently delivered a training on quality risk management approach in GMP inspections in Karachi, Pakistan. It was a successful two-day event with around 150 delegates actively participating in the training. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to USP and PPMA, Pakistan Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Association, for organizing such an impactful event for the local pharmaceutical industry in preparation for Pakistan's application for PICS membership. Personally, I recognize the increasing healthcare needs in the region and the greatest potentials with the local pharmaceutical industry. And I always believe that no matter where you are, everyone's entitled to the same quality of medicines. In this sense, organizations like PPMA show their profound social responsibilities, not only for the industry, but also for the general population. Last but not least, thanks to PPMA for inviting me and showing me the warmest Pakistani hospitality.